Hello. Hi. So today, ngenda kwogera ku engine oils, right? So oils, of course, lwaki oil bamuteekamu engine anyway? Engine y'emmotoka. Okitegeera. Then nekirala, ngenda kwogera ku bino bitegeeza ki? 20W50, right? Yeah, zino ratings zitegeeza ki ku bottle ya oil. Era nekirala like grade ki wa oil gw'olina okunywa. Otegeera otya mbu emmotoka yange enywa 5W30 oba 0W40, right? Yes, so ebyo bye tugenda okwogerako. Yeah, so basically engine oil ayamba like bintu bisatu yayambako in your car engine anyways. So kati ayamba soka, it's all about lubrication. Yes, lubrication. Ayamba nyo lubricating your engine components so that to avoid friction. Just imagine metal to metal nga temuli wadde neeka fluid, so it will be disaster, tear and wear. But as a safety precaution, woba okolako working on any fluids, make sure that you put on safety goggles. Yes, safety goggles. For example, like this. Whether you are working on oils, batteries, whatever, you put on safety goggles so that you protect your eyes in case any spirit. So your eyes are always protected, and always make sure you protect your hands. So that's why you have to wear gloves. That's very important on the safety perspective. Okay, kati omugaso ogusooka ogwa engine oil, it's all about lubrication. So gwokubiri, it's all about cleaning. Yeah, it helps cleaning your car engine. Then omugaso gwokusatu, cooling. It helps to cool your car engine. Some of the heat, oil asobola okukola ki akakanya ku too much heat in the engine compartment. So gye emigaso esatu gyaki egyaka engine oil. So kati tugende ku kirala, zino gradings zolaba zino, right? Yes, my 20W50. So zitegeeza ki? So probably this is just viscosity. These are just viscosity numbers. So 20, ngolaba 20W50. So 20 is the viscosity of this oil at low temperatures. So 20W, so 20 is the viscosity of the oil. W just representing a winter, right? Then 50 is the viscosity of the oil at engine operating temperatures or at high temperatures. So okay, kati kyo kitegeeza oil ono, this oil ayina viscosity za njawulo at different temperatures, right? So agina buuza viscosity byebiki, nze sibitegeera. Okay, yes, viscosity is the flow, the resistance to the flow of any fluid. For example, in terms of oil, is the resistance to the flow of oil. For example, can quick example, anyway, like go nalaba like porridge, obuji oba obufumba, olaba kati buli mukwesera those high temperatures nga buli ku muliro, nogezaako bufuka mu kikopo, bujja kuba buflowinga mangu. So viscosity yayo eri low at low temperatures. Kati woba nga bumaze okuwola, then nga n'obuteeka mu kikopo nga bumaze okuwola nga buwoledde ddala, so gyalaba nga engeri gye buflowingamu bulwawo, buflowinga slow. So kitegeeza viscosity y'obuugi at low temperatures is high. So kyekimu ne engine oils, they have different viscosity at different temperatures. So that's it. Yeah, zinamba kyesitegeza naye kati oli abuuza like ntegera ntya mbu this kind of grading yegenda muki mu grading bantegeeza viscosity grading zinene yeah zinene. So oli abuuza like ntegera ntya mbu viscosity grading ya oil eno yegenda muki mu engine yange. So it's very simple. So kyosooka okukebera it's a owner's manual oba olina owner's manual. Yeah, ka owner's manual nokawona ogula essimu empya ne bakuwerako manual oba ona so n'emmotoka empya bakuwerako manual. Naye in case nga tolina manual, for example oyinza okuba wagigula ku mukwano gwo wagigula mu bondi nakawa, so tezigirako manuals ebisinga. So kyokola so okebera ku website ku internet, just take a more your car brand and the model. For example, so basically just take a mutesi your car brand, like for example Toyota Primo 2010 engine oil. Where kumanya specifically chikaje cha grading ya oil inogenda mu motoka yo. So Toyota Primo 2010 engine oil. Okay. So wane nongo genda mu na toyotaclub.net. Yeah, nga baku already bazikuwadde wane. So basically they use 10W30. Yeah, for the Toyota Primo 2010. Yeah, or 5W30, whichever they call it. Is viscosity zibazikola. Yeah, one just bakuwabika bya engine ebyenjawulo ne oils zikolesa. So for example this third one, if your car engine is 3ZRFA, so probably you have to use this one 10W30 kusinzira ku Toyota Motor Companies. So kyekyo ngeri gy'osobola okeberamu your grading agenda mu engine yo, your grading oil agenda mu engine yo.